The most exceptional wireless gaming keyboards provide a level of flexibility and freedom that surpasses traditional wired keyboards. Liberating your wireless keyboard from the constraints of cables grants you the ability to use it wherever you desire, whether it's on your lap, the sofa, or beyond. In the past, opting for a wireless keyboard often meant dealing with noticeable lag and frequent disconnection. However, those challenges are now a thing of the past. Every wireless gaming keyboard featured here ensures rapid response times, allowing for precise gaming experiences. In this guide, we cater to a diverse range of preferences and tests, accommodating those on a budget, individuals seeking a middle ground option, and those aspiring for high-end performance. Here goes our top recommendations for the best wireless gaming keyboards to elevate your gaming experience. All product links are provided in the description. 5. Logitech G915 TKL. The Logitech G915 TKL is the epitome of the best compact wireless gaming keyboard, inheriting the exceptional wireless gaming keyboard quality from its larger counterpart, and condensing it into a TKL or 10 keyless form factor. Retaining the outstanding Lightspeed wireless connection and premium build and design, this keyboard delivers a compact yet robust gaming experience, featuring separate media controls and a durable aluminum-on-plastic chassis. Inheriting the innovation of the Logitech switches, a departure from the original Roamer G switches, the G915 TKL introduces the low-profile Logitech GL switches. These switches, resembling the Cherry 1010 design, offer a responsive and compact solution. The low-profile Logitech GL switches, a variant of the Keychron switch, stand out as one of the best short-stack mechanical switches, delivering both responsiveness and compactness. Several noteworthy features from the larger G915 are preserved in the G915 TKL. The Logitech GL switch, available in tactile, clicky, and linear variants, offers versatility to cater to different preferences. Despite the compact tankless design, the keyboard excels in retaining functionality, with macros now integrated as a secondary function of the F key, accessible through the Logitech G software for prioritization. However, the TKL design necessitates some sacrifices, notably the absence of physical macro keys. Instead, users rely on the Logitech G software to manage macros as a secondary function of the F key. This compromise, while inherent to the compact nature of the keyboard, showcases the keyboard's adaptability and willingness to cater to varying user preferences. 4. Asus ROG Azoth. The Asus ROG Azoth is another paramount high-end wireless gaming keyboard, marking the Taiwanese tech giant's definitive entry into the enthusiast gaming keyboard realm. It's nothing short of a marvel, embodying the essence of a top-tier keyboard that not only meets expectations, but exceeds them, effortlessly ticking off every requirement and venturing into additional realms at the bottom of the checklist, duly ticking those off as well. While Asus has a history of mechanical keyboards, the ROG Azoth marks a decisive step into the enthusiast keyboard market, showcasing the brand's commitment to this burgeoning segment. This keyboard, in particular, provides an all-encompassing experience for enthusiasts, leaving no stone unturned in delivering a premium typing and gaming experience. The typing experience on the Azoth is nothing short of delightful, enhanced by the inclusion of custom linear mechanical switches. While the ROG NX switches that come pre-installed are commendable Cherry 1010 red analogs, the ability to replace them with other switches, such as the Halo True switches, provides enthusiasts with the flexibility to customize their typing experience. The presence of hot swappable switches, a must-have for enthusiasts, allows for effortless switch replacements, catering to the nuanced preferences of keyboard enthusiasts. An OLED display in the top right-hand corner adds a touch of sophistication to the ROG Azoth. The two-tone display is complemented by a three-way switch that offers customization options. This display provides essential information and can be personalized, elevating the overall user experience. However, the Achilles heel of the ROG Azoth lies in the software department, relying on Asus Armoury Crate software. Despite offering valuable controls and customization options, the software's sluggish performance and occasional glitches detract from an otherwise stellar user experience. The time-consuming nature of tasks within the software, particularly when switching between USB and Wi-Fi, can be frustrating, affecting the overall user experience. Nevertheless, once within the software, users gain access to powerful controls, including LED backlighting adjustments and the ability to customize the control knob. The control knob itself, with 3 functional buttons, allows for extensive customization, from opening websites and applications to controlling multimedia functions, keyboard inputs, or preset text. Despite the software's drawbacks, its potential for powerful customization cannot be overlooked. In summary, the ROG Azoth is one of Asus' best gaming keyboards to date, marking a significant achievement in the enthusiast keyboard market. 1. Asus ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless. The Asus ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless is the ultimate wireless gaming keyboard, showcasing impressive features and a design that sets it apart. In a realm saturated with exceptional wireless keyboards, the Strix Scope 296 boldly emerges as the indisputable best gaming keyboard we've ever encountered. It doesn't just add wireless capability as a mere bonus. Instead, it complements an outstanding design and tactile experience, making it challenging to pinpoint where to start praising its virtues. The typing experience is unmatched, thanks to factory lubed switches that provide a sublime typing and gaming experience straight out of the box. Asus, recognizing the importance of this process for the ROG NX switches used in this model, has opted for key lubing, yielding impressively tangible results. The switches, featuring the ROG NX Snow switches in our review model, are not only exceptional but also hot swappable for enthusiasts inclined to experiment with different tactile experiences. However, the inherent excellence of the ROG NX Snow switches makes the likelihood of wanting to explore alternatives quite low. Beyond the typing, the compact and well-constructed frame includes a full numpad and a programmable multimedia wheel, augmenting its functionality. On the software front, the ROG Strix 2 utilizes Asus Armoury Crate, which, while not our favorite, facilitates relatively straightforward setup of features like macros and RGB lighting customizations. Moreover, the battery life of the Scope 296 stands out too, boasting a quoted maximum of 1,500 hours of continuous use. Additionally, the inclusion of a Bluetooth mode, activated by a toggle on the board's rear, serves as an extra feature that may prove beneficial in certain scenarios. Ultimately, what elevates the Scope 296 above its peers is its impeccable mechanical performance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.